Hey everybody, we are in the basement of 8 and I wanted to show you some of the new Kingsley Bate we just got in. So this is an awesome collection. It has that vintage kind of 50s Key West kind of vibe. Cool thing is it looks rattan, but it's actually metal. It has that nice grain on it. But they use another faux caning, faux bamboo, so they can have these awesome curves. So you don't have to worry about, maintenance. This thing is just meant to be outdoors, but you get that awesome sophisticated look. And you'll pair it with this really nice textured Sunbrella. What are we at? $549. I mean, that doesn't even seem right. That's an awesome buy. And it comes with the sofa, awesome little occasional pieces, side table. I mean, this could go in a sunroom. It doesn't just have to go outside. Super versatile. I really just love the fabric. It might not be able to show on the iPhone, but just super sophisticated look.